Hey guys, we're back. We're on the water. I was gonna film me launching it for the first time, but surprisingly, because it's still spring, not a lot of where I was going to launch worked, and I found a place, so we got in and we're on the water now. So guys, this is just gonna be a nice early spring first run of the season. Make sure everything's working good, everything's floating. We'll maybe try and throw the rod in for a little bit and see what we get there. But otherwise, guys, it's just a beautiful spring day. You know, how can you not try to get out on the water? And guess what? We did. So come along with me on this adventure today, and let's just enjoy it. Make sure I remember how to film these things, and we'll go from there. So come on, guys, let's go have some fun out there, right? So good to be back out here, guys. Thanks for everyone that stuck around through the off season. We're back out on water. So got map up sounder. I got a drink in my cooler, fishing rod holder ready to go for when we start trolling. And it's a nice enough day that I can be wearing like my new Fish Pro shirt. I got some pants on as well. Beautiful out here. It's about hold on, 22 degrees Celsius out right now, guys, so it's beautiful. Anyways, let's keep ripping down the river and see if we can make it out to the lake and see what it looks like out there. So let's go. Well guys, we've made it out onto Rice Lake, and for once it's not stupidly windy out here. It's kind of nice. So one thing we'll do is just boot around for a little bit, maybe check out a couple of these islands. There's a couple islands over there, an island right here, over here, other boats out here. I think we're going to explore the west end of Rice Lake a little bit. just because I want to be out there with my buddy from Catch Me Outdoors when we go east. So yeah, let's head west and check out these islands that are here. Well guys, that pretty much wraps up the day. Launch is just down around the corner there, so we're going to call it there. So guys, thanks so much for coming along for this one. We're back out on the water. Hopefully weather keeps up like this. If it does, we'll be going out a lot more. So thanks again for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Thank you to all the subscribers that have joined. It's amazing. Like I said, we're trying to make this channel something good, so please make sure you leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. Any questions you have, please let me know as well. And guys, it looks like we're here. Close. I feel like there's a couple of weeks that might be sketchy because it's still April, but at least we got it. So guys, until the next video, thanks again. I appreciate it. Be safe out there. Peace.